Austria manufactures basically relays, but we do have also some connector products that we are producing.
Yeah, we found the need for more flexibility, and the Planar system is offering this flexibility in various ways. The conventional conveyor transport system is just able to run one process sequence. If you want to skip one process, it's not possible. Planar system allows us to run a different process sequence, and in addition to adapt the position of every process depending on the product we are producing. We already knew that there is Planar systems on the market. First time we met Planar Motors was by a colleague on a trade fair in Germany.
Fortunately, we did a development project before our first real project, and in this project we could solve all of the basic technical challenges that were in place. Especially during this first development project, it was very impressive how fast Planar Motors was really responding to our needs and was looking for technical solutions, because not everything was already in place at the beginning.
The collaboration was really good. I think we both got value out of that because we had a very deep cooperation of our programmers and the Planar Motor programmers helping each other to improve. Implementing new technologies for sure is always a challenge, but our team is very open-minded, implementing such technologies quite quickly. Compared to traditional transport systems, the big benefit is the flexibility, process sequence, precision in the process station, but also we see a big benefit in total cost of ownership. The system is a 6-axis robot. Every product carries a 6-axis robot, and with that we can reduce the number of components of electrical axis in our system. It's more than a transport system, it's the implementation of a big number of robots into a production system.
An absolutely impressive technology that provides a big potential in order to increase effectiveness, quality and sustainability.